Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm tutorials we are going to sum uh, from 1 to until n numbers, but this time we will sum even numbers and odd numbers, then we'll subtract both of them from each other, and we'll see the subtractions result. So let's go for our solution. Let's right click it, and here I say add a new project. I choose the console app, and then I write here sum even and odd from 1 to n. Let's write the name of project like this, and I choose .5. So let's first in order to keep our screen, let's read line, and then let's create a method. This method it will sum like even numbers and odd numbers separately, and then we will subtract both of them from each other, and then we'll return the result. Let's say static private static integer, and let's say sum of even and odd sum. I'll write something like this maybe. And since we will sending parameters value, because from the console we will input our value, and then we have to say integer and let's create a for loop. Our for loop it will start from 1, and then it will be lesser than n, something like this maybe. Yeah. First things, we have to declare two fields here. First I will say odd 0 bar even 0, and let's call for loop. I will say if e modulus 2 equals 0, then this is even number. Then I will say even equal even add I, and if it is s, then it is odd number, and then we say odd equal sign odd plus 1. This is something like this, and in the end we'll say return, we'll say odd subtract even, and that's it. Let's first create our console write line. Let's say console write even loop write line, enter, and value to be sum of even and or something like this is not good set. Let's say int number and convert to 32, and then our console read line, and that's another console write line. Then we'll call our method, and then we'll pass through the number, and then here I write this is sum of even and odd result. Let's run it, and let's put a breakpoint here. I'll see it is functioning. And that's it. We put like 350. Sorry. We have to set up our project as a startup. I right click here, set up and project. Now let's run it. We say we'll put 350, and let's go. As you see that this is our even and odd number. Let's move even also, and let's see I. Now it is one is as you know that it is odd, so it will put one in odd. Now if I go step over, yes. Now as for 2 is even. I will set up to even 2, and 3 is odd. Odd is 4. So as you see that it will calculate until 350, the last n number, because our I is now 6, and you see that even is now 12, and now odd is like 16. It will go like this. Probably it will be negative number. I'm guessing. I am not sure, but it's just my opinion. Let's stop the backing and remove this breakpoint, and let's just run without the backing. Let's say 350. As you see, that is like minus 175. This is like this, and also we can say like here as a console. Sorry, we can say even sum of even numbers. We can like say is just even total even number, and let's copy this one and let's paste it here, and let's here write odd, and let's run it. Right, 350. As you see that this is our sum of our even numbers, and this is our odd numbers, and subtraction it will be 175. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next video. If you like my channel, please subscribe.